Hello, it is Melissa from Group Ties. I hope you're having an awesome day. Today I want to share a new tip slash update with you, which I think is super useful. So have you guys joined any new groups lately and there's this like pop-up right after you visit the group for the first time after you've been accepted, and it's like gives you a little message and then shows you the rules? I think that is so awesome, and I couldn't wait for it to show up as an option in my group, and it has. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you have the option too, and I want to show you how to use it. So first you're going to go into your Manage Group area. Right now on a desktop, it's this toggle button in and out. I feel like this changes all the time. But anyway, that's how we open it right now. And you're going to scroll down under Settings and go to Group Settings. So once you're there, you are going to go to New Member Intro, and it's right at the top under Setup Group. That's where it is right now. You know how Facebook is. That could change. So it says, describes what it is. Create a message that new members will see when they visit your group for the first time. It does only show up once. So you got one shot. Don't throw it away. So you're going to click Get Started. And you can show the admin team here or edit the team. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to leave it. I'm going to cross a couple people off because I really want people to contact the page whenever possible. So this is the team. This is going to show my page as the team. I'm not a huge fan of private messages to my personal account. So, hey, you never know, this might help prevent that. And then I already actually created my message and I'm going to paste it in. And, it's just welcome. I do always love to put little emojis whenever possible in my messaging because I feel like it catches people's eyes. I don't do it to be cutesy, and I think it's really important to try to catch the eye if possible. So I have my message here, basically like, here's how to advertise with me, bada bing. And then it shows the rules right after. So I'm just going to click Publish. And then it shows you can hide the cover photo if you want. I kind of feel like I'm going to hide it because they're already on the page. It's going to pop up. I don't think it needs a cover photo, and I could always change that later. I wish you could customize this, but you can't. So basically this is what's going to pop up. And you notice that it doesn't, Facebook doesn't really allow you those line breaks, even though I had them in there. So this is again where the emojis really come in handy. So click Next, and then it shows all of my rules. And then the super awesome thing about this is they have to click Got It. It's a pop-up. I know I can't really show it to you now because I can't like unjoin and join my group, but it's a pop-up that they have to like agree to. And I think that is just so amazing. So I hope that this was helpful to you. I really hope you have the new member intro option because it's, how it is. It's so hard to get people to pay attention to your rules and pay attention to what the group is about sometimes, that I think that this is just one more way that Facebook has allowed admins to really kind of get in front of the members. I don't want to say get in their face, but get in their face. So I hope you have this option. Hope this was helpful. For more tips and for more info, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to sign up and get some freebies, go to my website, groupties.com, GROUPTIZE. I've got all kinds of free stuff there. I've got a blog there where I share all of my tips and tricks. I have a course that I offer that shows you how to monetize a group. Okay, that's my spiel. Have a great day.